Today I'm going to teach you how to make potatoes chips in the microwave. What you will need to do this: 1 potato, plate, actually 2 plates, butter knife to cut the potato in half, butter knife, plastic knife works, something that then the potato was up like a real potato chip, olive oil, spray or whatever, salt, and black pepper. Let's get to it. First, simply cut the potato in half. Once you get this, take your potato thinner to make it look like chips, and then about 20 pieces of potatoes, and they should turn out like this. Okay, once you have enough slimmed, this is where your second plate comes in, and this is where the olive oil comes in. Spray enough to cover that. You can see that, and take your hand and just rub it in. And why we need olive oil is that so the chips don't stick to the plate and they cook roughly better. And once that happens, apply your chips on. Once you have your olive oil down and your chips spread it all over your plate, you're going to take some salt and throw it all over the chips. Not too much, not too little, just enough. And some black pepper all over those. Once that's done, this is where you put the potato chips in the microwave for about 3 minutes. And just let them cook. One little thing, after about 3 minutes, if they're still kind of hard, cook it for a little bit longer. Once you cook it for a little bit longer, let them cool for about a minute to a minute and 30 seconds, whatever. Once they're done cooking for about 3 minutes, let them cool once you're done, and this is what you get. They will shrink up on the plate, but potato chips. How about we give my sister to try them? Have one. Potato chips.
Thank you.
Do you guys hear the crunch to that? Look. Potato chip from the plate. Okay. Ready? Potato chip from the plate. You get the crunch. Nice flavor.
Amen.
That's delicious. I'm gonna be checking up on this video. Any questions, comments? If you don't like it, tell me. If it can help you in any way, well, enjoy this and enjoy your potato chips. Like, subscribe, thank you.